Hi, let's today discover the 12 early signs of health problems shown by your feet. Your feet, often overlooked, can reveal a lot about your overall health. From diabetes to circulatory issues, they can display early warning signs of underlying problems. Paying attention to these clues can help you take timely action. Now, here are the 12 early signs of health problems your feet might be showing you. Let's discuss them one by one. The number one is cold feet. Persistently cold feet can indicate poor circulation, often linked to cardiovascular issues. It could also suggest hyperthyroidism, where the thyroid gland does not produce enough hormone to regulate the metabolism. Number two is swelling. Swollen feet can result from long hours of standing or sitting. However, persistent swelling might signal the kidney issues, heart problems, or deep vein thrombosis, which is also known as DVT. Now, it's crucial to rule out these conditions. The number three is numbness or tingling. Experiencing numbness or tingling in your feet could be a sign of nerve damage, often associated with diabetes, diabetic neuropathy. It may also indicate vitamin B12 deficiency or multiple sclerosis, which is also known as MS. Let's discuss the number four, which is food cramping. Frequent food cramps can stem from dehydration or electrolyte imbalances. They might also point to inadequate levels of calcium, potassium, or magnesium in your diet. The number five is the discolored toes. Bluish or purple toes might indicate poor blood flow, often linked to Raynaud's disease or vascular conditions. Yellowish nails could signal fungal infections or even respiratory issues. Number six is dry, cracked heels. While dry heels are usually due to insufficient moisturizing, severely cracked heels could indicate hyperthyroidism or diabetes, as both conditions affect the skin health. Number seven is the foot sores that don't heal. Sores that persist can be a sign of diabetes or poor circulation. Non healing ulcers might also hint at the peripheral artery disease, which is PAD. There is also another one, which is clubbed toes. Clubbed toes, where the lips of the toes become rounded or enlarged. So it can indicate the lung problems, heart disease, or gastrointestinal disorders. Let's discuss the number nine, which is foot pain or swelling in one leg. Sudden swelling or pain in one leg could be a red flag for a blood clot, such as deep vein thrombosis (DVT). This requires immediate medical attention. The number 10 is changes in nail texture. Brittle or thickened toe nails may point to fungal infections. Spoon-shaped nails, concave, could also indicate iron deficiency anemia. Number 11 is the burning sensation. A burning sensation in the feet can be a symptom of peripheral neuropathy, often associated with diabetes, chronic alcohol use, or the exposure to toxins. Number 12 is pitted or scaly skin. Pitted, flaky, or scaly skin on the feet might suggest psoriasis, eczema, or athlete foot. Persistent skin issues could also be linked to immune system irregularities. Now, when to see a doctor? Now, if you notice any of these signs, especially if they persist or worsen with the condition, consult a healthcare professional. Early diagnosis and treatment can prevent serious complications and improve your overall wealth as well. Let's discuss about how you can prevent it by using some natural remedies. It requires you to prevent foot health related problems naturally by beginning with maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Staying hydrated is essential to avoid dehydration issues related such as cramping. Eating a balanced diet which are rich in vitamins and minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and vitamin B12 can support the nerve health, circulation, and overall foot health. Incorporating regular exercise like walking or yoga help improve blood flow and reduce the risk of conditions like poor circulation or deep vein thrombosis. Additionally, wearing comfortable, properly fitting footwear is crucial to avoid undue pressure on your foot. Foot care practices like regular exfoliation and moisturizing can prevent dry, cracked heels and fungal infections. You can go with for conditions like athlete foot or psoriasis, natural antifungal treatments such as tea tree oil or aloe vera gel, which can be effective. Soaking your feet in warm water like Epsom salt help reduce soreness and improve your circulation. For those experiencing tingling or burning sensations, manage stress through meditation or relaxation techniques can help alleviate the symptoms as stress often worsens the nerve related issues. Now, combine these measures with regular self examination of your feet to ensure early detection of potential health concerns. Now, this was all about today's video. Hope you have learned so much about what are the 12 ways in which your feet are actually showing you some health problem signs. Hope you have learned about so much today and thanks for watching the video. Stay happy and do subscribe to my channel as well.